It all started, by the way, Chris, with me taking a course on cryptography and advanced security in the final year of my college. My first job, Chris, was really as a founding engineer at Accenture, where I was actually the first full stack engineer or programmer within the company and building an identity and access management system that really taught me the fundamentals of how do you not just build scalable enterprise systems, but how do you build secure security technologies, identity and access technologies to support those enterprise systems as well. I think the key is that you have to recognize that change is constant and that new technologies are going to keep coming up, whether it's the AI technologies of today or whether it was the Java backend of 20 years ago. So imagine here I was, an engineer, early stage engineer, maybe 3 years into my career, and now I'm given this opportunity to actually work very closely with customers, help them understand the value of what I had built and actively sell our solution. It was all coming together. Customers wanted to build, wanted to adopt AI, and vendors wanted to adopt AI technologies and build them into their platforms. So that led me to believe that, listen, this is a tectonic shift. This is a platform shift that we've ever seen before. And I realized very quickly that as in the old world where we say that identity is the last perimeter, even in the world of AI, that statement remains true. That adage remains true, that identity is actually the final perimeter, even when it comes to AI. Security for AI, governance for AI should not be an afterthought. We have to really recognize that the shift has to be from the old world of reactive defense to the new world of proactive governance, right? Right? AI is being procured, deployed in a very democratized manner. You have different groups, different functions within the organization experimenting with AI, buying AI technologies, deploying them and figuring out if they are the right technologies for them in the world of AI. Things are moving so fast. They are changing on a day-to-day basis. And it is imperative, Chris, if you ask me, for these two teams, security teams and functional teams, to come together and operate as one in the world of AI. I think at the end of the day, using AI, purely AI for ATS is not going to be good enough. You're actually going to be ending up passing on really, really incredible candidates. Therefore, we have to be very cognizant of the fact that recognizing talent continues to be a human function and not an AI function, if that makes sense. The human creativity continues to trump everything else, if you ask me.